Browser to tudublincityprint.ie, then click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the Coletta web interface. Enter your username and 4-digit PIN number. Then click Sign In. After a successful login, you will see your username at the top of the page. On the left side of the page, click on Remote Print. Choose your system. In this case, it is Windows. Click on Download to begin. You will be able to see the progress on the screen. Once the download is completed, a zip file will be available. You can find the downloaded file at the top of your browser or in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the zip file to open it. Extract the folder to a location on your computer where you would like to store it. Open the extracted folder and find the installer folder. Inside you will see the .x file. Then right-click on the .x file and select Run as Administrator. To beginning the installation process, verify that the print queue name is tudublincityprint2.ie and that your username is correct. Then click on Next to continue. Follow the progress bar until the installation is completed. Then click Finish when done. Search for printers and scanners on your computer. In the printer section, you should see the remote print installed and listed as tudublincityprint2.ie, successfully installed and ready to use. Open the document that you want to print. Click on the printer icon or press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Select the remote print option you installed, which is tudublincityprint2.ie, then click on Print. After sending the document to print, go to your Tudublin account and click on Documents to view your print job. Now your document is ready to be released at the printer.